Here we have a 20 plate BMW X5 XDRIVE45E M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with over £8,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website. Just to mention one there, we do have the technology package. Now we also have the 21-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all of which in excellent condition and unmarked, with the blue M Sport brake calipers behind. We have the carbon black exterior paintwork, the LED headlights, gloss black front grills, and there's a look at that front end. You can see we also have the M Performance kit on this vehicle, which includes the front splitter. Round to the passenger side, you'll find the side skirts running along the bottom. We do also have air suspension on this vehicle, so you can raise or lower the vehicle, and it's currently set to the lowest setting. Colour-coded door handles and door mirrors. We have the black trim around the windows and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you find the roof rails along with the panoramic glass sunroof, which has the Sky Lounge. We have the shark fin antennae and also the rear spoiler. We also have 360-degree cameras with parking sensors and of course the visual display inside. Dual exit exhaust at the back with the rear diffuser. We also have the split tailgate, which is power operated. You press the button on the remote and you'll find it will open just like so. Now inside of here you can see we have plenty of space. We can open the bottom half just by pressing the button and fold it down. Plenty of space inside of the boot. We've got the parcel shelf at the top. We also have the charger just in that bag there. We have hooks as well either side inside of here, as you can see just there. Fold this back up, you can see we also have the button for the air suspension, so you can lower the vehicle, making it easier to put things into the boot. We then also have the button just here to close the rest of the boot. Coming back round to the driver's side, you'll find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Now if we take a look now at the interior, inside of the back first, just open the door, you can see we have the leather seats, foldable armrests in the centre. We also have fixed ISO points as well back here. Got the M Sport style seat belts. We have the vents just down there for the rear passengers. You'll also find the brush metal handles, electric windows and ambient lighting on the doors. Taking a look at the front, you'll find the same leather seats. Both front seats are heated and also electrically adjustable as well with the memory functions. As you can see, the adjustable memory function for the driver's seat. Harman Kardon sound system. We have the electric mirrors and electric windows, child lock for the rear, automatic lights just down here. We also have the automatic wipers and then the multifunctional steering wheel. There's a look at the roof as well from the inside. Take a close look, you may be able to see the LED lights inside of there. Let's take a seat inside. You'll find we have the digital dashboard in front of us. Put a foot on the brake, press the start button, the vehicle will start up. Steering wheel is electrically adjustable, controlled with the stalk just down there. The cruise control and speedometer here on the left. Paddle shifters either side. We also have no warning lights just here on the dashboard. We then have the heads-up display just above there. If the camera can pick it up. If any of these lights or screens are flickering, it's just the camera. They're not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. So we do have the sat nav just here on the main infotainment screen. Plenty more features though, and all the buttons are down here. You would have seen them all on the photos. You can see we have the radio stations. Over to the left you can find the different media options. We have the Bluetooth phone connectivity as well for phone calls. Then onto the apps, you'll find we have plenty of apps that are installed along with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Going on to the main menu, if you go up to car, onto the settings you'll find the interior ambient lighting, plenty of colours on here which you can go through. We do also have the intelligent safety, making it a safe vehicle to drive. Further down from there you then have the dual zone climate control for the front passengers, ice cold air conditioning, and we do have heated seats as well either side, all working as they should do. Further down from there we have some storage space inside of here with the cup holders. We have a 12-volt connectivity, USB ports and also the wireless phone charging just underneath there. Automatic gearbox which has the different drive modes paired up with the air suspension. So you can see we have the adaptive drive mode, we also have electric, hybrid and sport. Also changes the dashboard for different drive modes, as you can see just there. Putting the car into reverse, you'll also find the reverse camera, but we do have the 360 view on the right. Put it into drive and it changes to the front facing camera. If you go over to the left you can also have a 3D view, so you go all the way around the vehicle 360 degrees. As we make our way all the way around you'll be able to see each camera angle works just as you would expect it to. So all the way around, and then if we go back over to the left, you see we have the car wash view, which is a top-down view of the front end. Back into park by pressing P, we then have the electric handbrake and auto hold button, hill descent control, and finally the armrest just here in the centre. That's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please get in contact or check out the website. This vehicle comes with free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW X5 XDRIVE45E M Sport. Now the purpose of the video test drive is to show the vehicle that drives as you'd expect it to. As you can see, I'm not defining with the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, staying straight and true. Now we do have the multifunction steering wheel, which has the paddle shifters either side. If you want to set the car into manual mode, simply just tap on the paddles to change gear. We also have the cruise control and speedometer here on the left hand side, along with the phone connectivity and volume buttons on the right. Digital dashboard in front of us as well, which can show different displays. Now we do have the premium Harman Kardon sound system, really does sound incredible. But if you do listen carefully throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice you'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. We do have the leather seats throughout the vehicle, which are really comfortable. You can easily do 2, 3, within 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both front seats are also heated, which is perfect for them cold winter mornings. We also have many more features on the interior of the vehicle. We've got the panoramic glass sunroof just up there, the Sky Lounge, which is really nice, especially at night time paired with the ambient lighting. We also have the main infotainment screen that's currently showing the sat-nav. Plenty more features on there you would have seen on the photos. Got the wireless phone charging, another really useful feature to have. Automatic gearbox, which is really smooth going through all the gears, along with having the different drive modes. Now we've got our right indicator on, it's slowing down, but to wait for this van to go past. We're going to turn right onto the industrial park, and I will perform an emergency stop now in 3, 2, and 1. Hold on to the brakes, put the car into reverse. We've got the reverse camera appear on the screen, back into a drive, and it changes to the front facing camera with no issues whatsoever. Now if this video has answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions, along with running through some inquiries with you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.